In today's lesson, let's learn what is a monomial. After this video, you will be able to differentiate between a monomial expression and a non-monomial expression. The word monomial is made up of a couple of Latin roots. Mono means one, and meal is a term. So this means we have a single term. It can be a single number. It could be a single letter, or it could be a number-letter combination that does not involve addition signs or subtraction signs. So a monomial could be a single number. It could be a single letter, or it could be a whole bunch of other number-letter combinations, like here, or here, or here. Notice there are no addition signs here. There are no subtraction signs here. That is a negative, and that's okay as long as it's not in the exponent. So here are some examples that would not be monomials. And a fun fact, a monomial cannot have an exponent that is a fraction or a negative. Now we will deal with negative exponents this unit, but a monomial cannot have one technically. So let's look at this yellow box. The problem here is that we have an addition sign. So we actually have two terms. That is called a binomial. Let's look at the pink box. Here's a subtraction sign. I actually have two terms. That is a binomial. In the orange box, we were good. We were so good until we got to this exponent. Monomials cannot have negative exponents. Same deal with the blue box. We were so good until that fraction showed up as an exponent. Monomials cannot have fractional exponents. And then the green box, I have a plus sign and another plus sign. I actually have 1, 2, 3 terms. That is a trinomial. So everything on this page is a non-example. These are non-monomials.